A $20,000 kamikaze drone effortlessly bypasses a multi-million-dollar air defense grid, leaving strategic infrastructure completely exposed. This tactical nightmare is exactly what the NASAMS Netherlands upgrade program is designed to solve. In June 2026, the Royal Netherlands Army recently concluded a 6-month operational deployment at the border of Poland, where their existing NASAMS 2 units faced relentless pressure from unmanned aerial vehicles. For defense planners in The Hague, the stakes could not be higher. If a high-intensity conflict erupts today, their critical assets remain deeply vulnerable, as traditional surface-to-air missiles are quickly depleted by low-cost drone swarms, leaving the entire nation practically defenseless against subsequent ballistic missile strikes. Leading global defense analysts argue that current Western military doctrines are entirely useless against this asymmetric threat, meaning that on paper, their only tactical salvation would be a radical mutation of their existing air defense architecture. To reverse this dangerous trend, the Dutch government is injecting 12 billion Norwegian kroner, which is equivalent to over 1.1 billion euros, to fundamentally transform the NASAMS weapon platform. By integrating the advanced command and control software of the NASAMS 3 standard, the Netherlands is shifting from standalone missile batteries to a fully interconnected air defense ecosystem. This massive upgrade allows the platform to automatically distribute targets, using cheaper kinetic options for swarms while preserving high-end interceptors for cruise missiles. This strategic move by the Netherlands is setting a new benchmark for NATO operations at a time when the threat of drone warfare is reshaping global security. Before we go on, do you think Western air defenses can truly survive the era of cheap drone swarms? And tell me where you are watching from. Then subscribe to the channel so you never miss our deep dives into modern military technology. The core of this extensive Dutch modernization program is the transformation of NASAMS from a conventional missile launcher into a highly intelligent air defense hub. Under the new 12 billion Norwegian kroner contract with Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace, the Netherlands is rapidly transitioning to the NASAMS 3 standard. This upgrade introduces an advanced command and control architecture that allows the system to fire a versatile mix of interceptors. The most critical addition is the AMRAAM ER missile, which expands the maximum engagement range to 50 kilometers and increases the maximum altitude to 20 kilometers. This represents a 100% expansion in defensive coverage compared to the older NASAMS 2 standard, allowing the Dutch military to intercept highly maneuverable threats long before they approach critical infrastructure. However, to truly crush incoming drone swarms without depleting costly missiles, the upgraded NASAMS 3 does not operate alone. The Netherlands is integrating a mobile protective layer known as NOMADS, built on the AMRAAM G5 tracked armored chassis. Acting as the mobile eyes and ears of the primary NASAMS network, each NOMADS vehicle carries short-range AIM-9X Sidewinder missiles and is equipped with the revolutionary Weibel XENTA Mfive 3D radar. This specialized radar utilizes advanced gallium nitride semiconductor technology, enabling it to detect unmanned aerial vehicles with a radar cross-section smaller than 0.001 square meters from several kilometers away. Furthermore, a late 2025 agreement officially brings the Rheinmetall Skyranger 30 turret into this integrated network. The Skyranger 30 utilizes a 30mm automatic cannon capable of firing 1,200 rounds per minute. By using ahead programmable airburst ammunition, it destroys incoming loitering munitions using rapid kinetic energy fragment clouds, costing only a few thousand euros per engagement. The NASAMS 3 Command Center automatically delegates these low-cost targets to the Skyranger 30, while preserving the high-end AMRAAM ER missiles for supersonic cruise missiles. This radical modernization of the Dutch NASAMS network is rapidly transforming the entire geopolitical chessboard of Western Europe. By creating a fully unified air defense ecosystem, the Netherlands is leading a major integration trend across the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. A crucial milestone occurred in late 2025, when Belgium signed a joint procurement agreement with the Netherlands to synchronize their purchases of the NASAMS 3 platform from Norway. This trilateral defense cooperation directly reinforces the existing integration of the German Air Force Air Defense Missile Group 61 under the operational command of the Dutch Joint Ground-Based Air Defense Command. This unpredicted integration establishes a seamless, borderless air defense network stretching across Western Europe, ensuring that any airborne threat detected over one nation is instantly tracked and targeted by integrated alliance assets. While this defense expansion stabilizes Europe, it sends powerful strategic waves directly into the Indo-Pacific region. The primary tactical challenge facing the Netherlands, which is managing dense swarms of low-cost, unmanned aerial vehicles, perfectly mirrors the security dilemmas of Western allies in Asian maritime zones. As regional powers invest heavily in massive long-range strike capabilities and kamikaze drone fleets, international defense analysts are looking at the Dutch NASAMS 3 and NOMADS combination as a definitive operational blueprint. For example, Australia already operates the NASAMS platform and is closely evaluating how the Dutch military solves the problem of cost asymmetry by utilizing the network-centric coordination of advanced radar and automatic airburst cannons. However, this sudden surge in major European defense spending introduces a critical global supply chain bottleneck. With the Netherlands, Belgium, and Germany securing multi-billion euro production lines from Kongsberg and Raytheon, the manufacturing capacity for essential components and advanced guided missiles is heavily strained. Consequently, Indo-Pacific nations waiting for defense equipment face potential delivery delays of 3 to 5 years, highlighting the urgent need for local production capabilities. Looking forward into the next 3 to 12 months, this massive Dutch defense investment faces both immediate operational milestones and hidden vulnerabilities. As the current deployment along the Polish border concludes in June 2026, the Royal Netherlands Army will begin absorbing critical real-world tactical data into its Joint Ground-Based Air Defense Command. This data will be used to standardize North Atlantic Treaty Organization doctrine for defending strategic transit corridors against low-cost swarms. However, international defense planners warn of a major blind spot within this network-centric system. While the advanced software of NASAMS 3 flawlessly coordinates multiple assets, it remains entirely dependent on real-time data links. In a high-intensity conflict involving severe electronic warfare, heavy radio frequency jamming could sever the connection between the primary radar and mobile units like NOMADS, isolating individual crews and reducing overall intercept efficiency by more than 50%. Furthermore, a severe global shortage of critical raw materials and semiconductor chips in 2026 threatens the projected 2028 delivery schedule for new Kongsberg hardware, potentially creating a temporary defensive gap in Western Europe. Ultimately, the €1 billion Dutch air defense program delivers a profound strategic lesson for modern militaries worldwide. In the era of mass-produced drone warfare, victory belongs to those who prioritize deep system integration and economic sustainability, rather than just building larger standalone missile batteries. By successfully linking advanced short-range radars, rapid air-burst cannons, and extended-range interceptors under a single intelligent command structure, the Netherlands has provided a clear blueprint for survival in future high-tech conflicts. As global tensions continue to rise, only time will tell if this digital shield can completely outpace the rapidly evolving threats in the skies. With global manufacturing lines strained and electronic warfare intensifying, do you think this interconnected shield will be enough to protect Europe in a total conflict? Or has the era of cheap drone swarms permanently broken Western air defense?